What's the meaning of cement? Cement. Cement.
Cement. Cement. Cement refers to a binding material used in construction that hardens and sets to create a strong and durable structure. It is typically made from a mixture of limestone, clay, and other materials that are heated and ground into a fine powder. When combined with water, cement forms a paste that binds together aggregates such as sand and gravel to form concrete. The resulting material is widely used for construction purposes such as building foundations, walls, roads, and bridges due to its strength, versatility, and durability.